What's going on, everyone? Welcome back again to another Foxtecc video. And today we're gonna answer a common question which is asked by a lot of people, and that is, does deleting photos on your iPhone actually free up storage? Because there are some confusing parts in this. At first, you should know that the short answer is yes, but there are some important points to keep in mind to ensure you're actually freeing up that space. First, when you delete photos from your iPhone, it might not happen instantly, and in some cases, it might not happen at all. The reason is that your photos could be stored on iCloud rather than locally on your device. When you open up the Photos app and start deleting photos, the first thing to consider is whether these photos are part of your iPhone's local storage or if they are stored in iCloud. iPhones, however, don't clearly indicate whether the photos you see are stored locally or in the iCloud. Deleting photos that are only on the cloud will not help free up your local storage space, of course. To ensure you're managing your local storage instead, you can just stop sharing your iCloud photos by disabling the iCloud Photos feature in the settings. And this way, all the photos you see on your device will definitely be stored locally. The alternative option is to sign into iCloud.com through your browser and manage your cloud photos separately. The photos that show up there are only in the cloud, so you can manage them without affecting your local storage, and you know which photo belongs where. Another important point is that even if you delete local photos, they might not free up space immediately. When you delete a photo, it doesn't get erased right away. Instead, it moves to the recently deleted folder where it stays for 30 days by default. During this period, the photos are still occupying space on your device. To truly free up the storage, you need to go to the recently deleted folder and permanently delete the photos from there as well. Only then will they be gone for good, and you'll notice the freed up storage space on your iPhone. So that's essentially everything what I wanted to say in this video. I hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll see you in the future.